Welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, blogging, and legal tips. My name is Amira. I am the business lawyer, blogger, and coach behind aselfguru.com, where I help you make money online and legally protect your business with my affordable legal templates and coaching services. I'm often asked this question that, Amira, what blogging tools and resources you use to make $44,000 a month in your blogging business, and then I made $60,000 a month, and then I made $78,000 a month. And you can see this video where I go over my blog income report showing you how I made $78,000 a month. But what I didn't share with you is what are some of those essential blogging tools and resources I use to get there. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 11 really important blogging tools and resources that I rely on to make 6 and then 7 figures from my blog. Before we get started with the blogging tools that you need to know, I have put together a secret list of blogging tools, resources, as well as affiliate programs that I use to make more than $60,000 in a single month from my blog. It's absolutely free to grab that guide, and I will go ahead and link to it in the description of this video so that you can sign up. Stay tuned till the very end of this video because I have an awesome surprise for you. You're going to love this massive list of 50 top blogging tools and resources that I have used to make 7 figures from my blog, and I will share that list with you towards the end of the video. Let's talk about the first blogging tool that I wish I knew about when I first started my blog, and I promise this is going to help you so much with your blogging business, especially make things very easy. And it's an AI tool called Jasper. It used to be called Jarvis, and I'm going to link to that in the description of the video so you can check it out, and you can try it for free through my link, and all of that will be in the description below. So Jasper or Jarvis basically allows you to create blog posts in less than an hour. I mean, no joke. It can write blog posts for you. It can write sales page copy for you. It can create Facebook ads copy for you. Any kind of marketing material that you need, even creating a video description for your YouTube videos. It can do all of that and more. You just have to try it to see what I mean. And the beautiful thing about it is that it has templates already built in. So you kind of give it your prompts. Like, for example, if I want to write a blog post about a particular topic, I just write that topic in there, and then Jarvis will go ahead and basically write the whole paragraph for you. And by doing that, I'm able to publish content a lot faster. I'm talking at least 5 times faster than I used to be able to. And I'm also able to cut costs on hiring freelancers because I don't need to hire freelancers anymore to produce content for me. I can just use Jasper, Jarvis to do all of that for me. So definitely check it out. It's going to make your blogging life a lot easier. And if you would like to see how I use Jarvis, the different ways that I use it in my blogging business, just comment below and let me know, and I will go ahead and create that video for you next. Okay, so now let's talk about my all-time favorite blogging tool that I can't live without, that runs my entire blogging business, and that one is called Katra. Katra is an all-in-one business platform that allows you to do everything that you need with your online business. And when I say everything, literally, for example, I use it for my email marketing to collect subscribers, to build my email list, and also to send marketing emails. I also use it for my sales pages, to create sales pages, tripwires, funnels, just everything, checkout, product checkouts. I also use it to host my membership, so where people can sign up for my membership and have access to exclusive products. I also use it for my calendar to create meetings and so forth. I also use it for my affiliate program because I have thousands of people promoting my products and services. I need a good affiliate program that tracks everything for me instead of me having to worry about all of that good stuff. So Katra does everything for me. You should definitely check it out if you're just starting your blogging business, or if you are an experienced blogger. Definitely, it has such a good amount of tools already built into the platform, and it really makes your life easy. Instead of having to learn 10 different platforms, you just have one platform that you have to learn, and then you just log into that one platform and check out everything, all the analytics, all your sales pages, updating things and sending emails. All of that stuff is in one nicely in one platform that makes your life easy. And if you would like to learn more about how I use Kartra and to show you behind the scenes of how my Kartra dashboard looks like and how the different ways that I use it, then check out this video, because in this video, I talk about Kartra in a lot more detail and I show you everything behind the scenes so that you can have a better understanding of how this tool works and why it is such a great tool for any kind of online business. Okay, so my next favorite blogging tool that I use daily, almost daily or weekly, is Canva. Canva is such a great popular designing software you can use. You don't need to learn those really complicated designing softwares. You don't even have to hire a designer. It can create all kinds of social media graphics, to Pinterest templates, to book covers, to printables, just about everything you can do in Canva. And it is very easy to use. That's what I love about it. You don't even need any professional training on it. It's so intuitive and very easy to use. And I use it for everything, from social media graphics to Pinterest templates to book covers to creating my free guides and even YouTube thumbnails and just about everything. So I recommend the Canva Pro version. That's the one I use because it gives you access to everything and thousands of their templates versus, the free version, which is very limited. You can definitely try Canva for free, but you will see pretty soon that the Pro version is totally worth it. And it's not an expensive tool. It's a small cost of doing business, which is tax deductible, but it will really save you a lot of time and make things easier for you as a blogger. Okay, so number 4 blogging tool is really unique. And I don't know that many bloggers sharing this, and I don't know if many bloggers even know about it. I certainly didn't know about it in my first year of blogging business, but I discovered it after a couple of years. But it has really become one of my favorite tools, and it's a paraphrasing AI tool called Quillboat. I use their premium version, but you can definitely try it for free. But I totally recommend it because it will really enhance your writing. And as bloggers, we know how much we have to write. So there are a lot of times that you might have an idea in your head, but you just aren't able to write it in the best shape or form. And that's where this tool is going to come in very handy. And it can write content really fast for you, and it can really enhance your writing. It can even fix your grammar. It can even give you different variations of the same sentence. So try it out and see what I mean. But it's a really, really great tool to enhance your blogging and any kind of writing. And it's been trusted by millions of people around the world. So it's been around for quite some time, and it is a really, really great tool that you should check it out. I'll link it in the description. If you're liking these blogging tools so far, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and it will really help me create more helpful videos for you. Also, comment below and let me know which one is your favorite blogging tool so far. Okay, so the 5th blogging tool has to do with protecting your blog legally. Because if your blog is not legal, then you don't have a strong foundation for success. So as a business lawyer, one of the questions that I get asked all the time is, how do I make my blog legal? What are the legal documents that I need to post on my website? And how do I just make sure that I'm protected and in compliance? So what I've done is I've created a legal bundle that you can use and make your blog legal in just 15 minutes. And the way to do that is to first make sure that you have 3 website legal pages on your site: a privacy policy, a disclaimer, a terms and conditions. And then through my starter, premium, or VIP legal bundle, you can get all of those legal documents and a lot more and make sure that your blog is legal in just 15 minutes. These are done for you legal templates that you simply have to fill in the highlighted portions in the template as instructed, and then you can start using the templates in just 15 minutes to make your life easy as a blogger, instead of having to worry about not having your blog legal and running into all kinds of legal issues and fines or lawsuits. And also, you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to hire a lawyer to put these documents together for you. As a lawyer, I've already done the legwork for you. They're super discounted, and you can see thousands of bloggers and entrepreneurs that I have helped out on my website that trust and love my legal templates. There are hundreds of 5-star reviews on my Facebook page, on my website, and also tons and tons of video testimonials here on my YouTube channel that you're welcome to check out. And I would love for you to have that peace of mind knowing that your blog is legally protected so that you can concentrate on, the actual fun parts of blogging, like creating content, building relationships, creating products, and so forth. And if you would like to learn more about how to blog legally and how to legally protect yourself as a blogger, then check out this video where I walk you through all the different things you need and how to legally protect yourself with my affordable legal bundles. So next blogging tool that I really love and I use all the time, and it's actually part of my WordPress, is Grammarly. Grammarly is a great tool to check your grammar, to fix any spelling issues. So when you're writing those blog posts and you're finalizing things, then you definitely want to run it through Grammarly. If it's already part of your WordPress, then it automatically does it for you. But this way you kind of make sure that your content is error-free. And I love the fact that their paid version has a plagiarism checker tool already built in there. So this way, if I am publishing a guest post or content from someone else, then I can at least run it through Grammarly to make sure that it's copyright-free content. So this way I don't run into any kind of, copyright infringement issues. You always want to make sure that the content that you're publishing is original and free from any kind of copyright violations. And all of that good stuff is taken care of by Grammarly, by just that one tool. So you should definitely check out their paid version and see how you like it. So number 7 is another really good blogging tool that I use for Pinterest. I've also used it for Instagram. It's called Tailwind. So when you have a Pinterest account and you're pinning different pins, you want to have a scheduler, and Tailwind is the scheduler that I use to basically schedule all my pins throughout the year. Instead of me having to manually pin and spend a lot of time on the platform, which, let's face it, as bloggers, we don't have that much time, then what I do is I basically schedule all my pins into Tailwind and divide it up into different time slots and different group boards. And this way Tailwind just kind of takes care of the whole scheduling part for me. And then I've also used Tailwind to schedule like Instagram posts, and now it even allows you to schedule posts on your Facebook page. So you can really, cut your time in half by having the scheduler just do all the work for you. It is paid, it's not free, but it's totally worth it. It's not a big cost, but I just use it to basically pin, to do some scheduling on Instagram, and then also to do my scheduling on Facebook for me. So it's all automated. And one thing I want to tell you about your blogging business is that try to make things as automated as possible, because otherwise you're just going to be wasting so much time trying to do all of these things on your own or hiring people to do it for you. But if you can automate things and streamline your process, nothing better than that, So I recommend Tailwind for all of those things, and check it out and see how you like it. Okay, so the next blogging tool that you probably haven't thought about, but you should definitely look into, is what's called Subtitle. It's a video captioning tool, but it can do a lot more. It can add subtitles to your videos. You can even use it to trim your videos. You can add headlines for social media, small snippets for social media. You can do a lot more with this tool, and it saves you a lot of time. You don't have to sit there trying to transcribe the video on your own. It just does it automatically for you. And as you may have noticed, pretty much all of my YouTube videos are captioned, and this is needed to ensure compliance with Americans with Disabilities Act. As a blogger, you might not be aware of this, but you do need to ensure your compliance with ADA, which is Americans with Disabilities Act, and it prohibits discrimination against people with, any kind of hearing impairments, visual impairments. And one of the ways you ensure compliance is by making sure that you add subtitles or video captions. This way someone can easily read your video if they can't hear it, right? So definitely take a look at this tool. I use it all the time. I am on their monthly subscription, but this is going to be such a good practice for overall your blogging business, and also will ensure your compliance with the ADA. And if you would like to learn more about ADA, then I walk you through all of that in this video. I've also put together an ADA compliance bundle for you, which gives you all the different tools you need, as well as the checklist and a website statement that you need to post on your site to kind of demonstrate your compliance. So take a look at the ADA website legal compliance bundle for you that I put together to make sure that you are in compliance. If this video has helped you in any way so far, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your love and support. Let's talk about a really important blogging tool that you would need as a blogger, and that's a good accounting software that allows you to manage your finances, right? Because as a blogger, this is one of the things that sometimes gets overlooked. And then when tax time comes around, then you're scrambling and you're trying to figure out what your expenses were or what payments you made and so forth. And it just becomes much more difficult to do things at the last minute. So that's why I recommend FreshBooks. It's a really great accounting software that's been trusted by business professionals around the world. It allows you to do everything from tracking your expenses to your payments that you're making, sending invoices, even if you're hiring any employees. You know, all that stuff is nicely put together in FreshBooks. So that way, when tax time comes around, you have everything already and you don't have to like stress out. So the next blogging tool or tip I have for you has to do with images. So as a blogger, you will definitely need to post some photos and images on your website or as part of your blog posts to break up content. But just be very careful as to what kind of images do you use. Don't just grab any image that you see on Google thinking you can use it, because that's going to lead to copyright infringement. Under copyright law, you can't just copy other people's photos or images. You will have to first seek permission, or you have to look at the licensing terms of the creator's website to see if you are legally given the permission to use their images. So the way to properly use copyright-free images is to go to a couple of websites, and I'm going to link to them in the description, such as Pixabay, Unsplash, Pexels. These are websites that allow you to use images for free, and this way you don't run into any legal violations. The last tip or blogging tool that I want to leave you with has to do with making sure that you have a self-hosted WordPress website. And for that, I recommend two great hosting companies that I have personally used. When I was a beginner blogger, I started with Bluehost. They are a great company. They're very affordable. Their customer service is 24/7, and they give you a lot of free things. So do check them out if you are a beginner blogger. It's not going to cost you much, and I never had any issues with them. But as your blog grows and you get more traffic and you want to increase your website speed and you want to get better customer service, then I highly recommend Big Scoots. Those are the ones that I am with right now, and their customer service is phenomenal. I mean, the minute you send them an email, they respond within a minute, so it's really, really worth it, but they're also more expensive. So I would like you to kind of check out both of these to see which one fits your budget better. But keep that in mind if you're starting your blog, that you at some point would want to upgrade into a better hosting company if you are just starting with Bluehost or any other hosting company, that eventually you want to look into Big Scoots or something even better. Lastly, before you go, comment below and let me know that which one is your favorite blogging tool, and is there anything that you would like to add to this list? And also, as promised, I have a surprise bonus for you where I am giving you a massive list of 50 top blogging tools and resources that I use to make 7 figures, and I've put them together in a blog post for free. So you can check out that blog post. I will link it in the description of this video. And if you don't have time to check out the blog post right now, you can always save it, and this way you can come back and read it. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. If this video and these blog posts help you in any way, once again, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.